Hello, friends. Today we will witness the most breathtaking and shocking moments in traffic accidents. From reckless drivers causing tragic accidents to unexpected situations caused by cars losing control or disregarding traffic signs. Together we will analyze each situation to learn valuable lessons for ourselves. Buckle up and let's get started. A car sped by high speed, satisfied lose control, and crashed into a motorcyclist on the side of the road. Not stopping there, the car continued to crash into many other cars, causing a serious accident. A car is moving at high speed on the highway when it suddenly meets another car from another lane that merges without paying close attention, leading to a strong collision between two cars. An unexpected car crashed with another vehicle on the road and stopped suddenly. The cars behind do not keep a safe distance, leading to chain of collisions. One truck running at high speed, can't brake in time, crashed straight into a series of cars stopped at a red light ahead. The strong impact caused many vehicles were seriously damaged. A car was pushed far away. A truck moving at high speed could not handle the situation in time and crashed heavily into a series of cars moving in front. The impact was so strong that many cars were pushed together, creating a serious accident. Thank you for watching the video until the end. The situations in the video have helped us learn valuable lessons about traffic safety. If you feel the video is helpful, click like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification bells so you don't miss the next useful videos. See you in upcoming videos.